morning, children, and welcome to our online class. Today, we are going to learn about notice writing. So, what is notice writing, children? This is something which you all are aware of. Yes, you receive a notice from your principal madam regarding a holiday. Yeah, mostly awaited notice. Yes, and also you receive notices from your cultural secretaries, sports secretaries, head boys, class teachers, and the examination department regarding various events or exams or any other kind of information that has to be given to the entire group at one time. So notice plays a very important role. So, and therefore you need to know how to write a proper notice in the proper format. So let's begin with that. So what is a notice? A notice is an announcement which is circulated in the written form to give some important information to a large group of people. That means when you have a large group of people and at a stretch you have to give an information to them, then a notice is circulated. And this notice is in the written form. Instead of the verbal form, you write it in the written form, and then once it is announced, then it is put up on the notice board. So it provides the important information to the large group of people. Therefore, we must know how to write a proper notice. Let's now understand the format of notice writing. The most important thing is put the notice in the box first. Then at the center, write the name of the organization or institution, leave a line, and then write the word notice in capital letters so that we know that it is a notice. Then to the left hand side, left margin, write down the date of issue of the notice. Again leave a line, then write the heading or the title of the notice, which is very important, because just by looking at the title of the notice, a person understands how important the notice is. Then begin the content or the body of the notice, again from the left margin leaving a line. Your content should include the date, day and venue in case of a planned event or any other relevant information. Then leave a line, write down the name of the person who has put up the notice, followed by the designation of the person. So this is the format of the notice writing, and you all need to remember it properly. Now the body of the notice, the content should answer 5 W's and 1 H. What are the 5 W's? What? That means what is the notice about? That should be clear in the body. Who it is addressed to? Where is the event taking place if you are talking about an event? When is the event going to happen? This information should be there in the content. Whom to contact or get in touch with if you have some doubt regarding the information. And finally the 1H, how the instructions are written related to notice. So all these are very important. So please remember the 5 W's plus 1 H while writing the content of the notice. Now let's look at an example to clearly understand the format of notice writing. You are the secretary of activities club in your school. The annual day program is to be held next month. Write a notice for the school display board in this reference. So you need to write a notice and put up on the board, and this notice is regarding the annual day program of your school, which is going to be held next month, and your designation is you are the secretary of the activities club. Now, as I told you, first draw the box, then at the center write the name of the school, ABC School Ahmedabad for suppose. Then at the center write the word notice in capital. Then you have to write the date in the proper format towards the left margin. Then write the title of this notice. The title of the notice is Annual Day Celebrations, because your notice is about the annual day. Now leave a line and then begin from the left margin. The content should start from the left margin. This is to inform all the students that the school's annual day function will be held on 12th February 2019 from 5 pm to 9 pm at Dev Mall. Ahmedabad's collector, Dr. Vikrant Pandey, will grace the occasion as the chief guest. Every student needs to collect the pass from the respective class teacher. If you have clearly understood this notice, you can see that it answers all the 5 W's, that is when, where, who, whom, yes, so and how also. So all the 5 W's and 1 H, everything is answered in this content of the notice. And finally write your name. Here you are Nihir Jain and the designation is Secretary Activities Club. So this example shows clearly how to write a notice in short without any irrelevant information. Now the key points while writing a notice are: the ideal length of notice should be 50 words. So only relevant points should need to be addressed. Present the notice in a proper format, the way you have learnt it. Then try to write the notice in indirect speech or passive voice only. Remember this. And don't use personal pronouns like I and we. Do not use these personal pronouns. Now, you are Pranav, the head boy of ABC school. Your school is organizing a singing competition for the classes 8 and 9. Write a notice for your school notice board and invite the names of the interested students. So, as per the key points given and as per the format given in the previous slides, write down this notice as your homework. So, you need to write the format of the notice, the sample notice that I have given you, and also this homework, all these 3 in your assignment copy. So, as soon as you see your video, at once start writing the homework. Thank you children. Hope you have understood the notice writing. Thank you. Have a nice time.